Hey guys, welcome to this video, and it's time for the unboxing of Huawei Y5 Prime, which is the latest model from Huawei in the entry-level category. And we have got some very decent specs here on this phone. So we have got a full view display, which is a 5.4-inch 720p display, and it has a pixel density of 295 ppi. We also have 3020 mAh battery, 2 gigs of RAM, and 16 gigs of internal storage. It also has SD card, and finally we also have selfie turning flash, so it has got that front facing flash as well. Other than that, we have got a 13 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera, and on the software side it's running on Emotion UI 8.0, which is based on Android Oreo 8.1, which is great. So let's unbox it and see what's inside the box. So there we go, and there we go. Okay, let's speed it up. And there we go, we have our phone here. So we have it in blue color here, and very decent in build quality. You can hold it in one hand as well. So we'll take a look at it in detail later. Let's see what else is inside the box. We have some paperwork, we have a screen protector in the box, so that's good. Headphones, charger, and finally we have our charging cable here. So regular stuff, nothing out of ordinary here. Let's put it all aside and take a look at the phone. Let's take off these plastic covers. So there you go, that's blue color and very nicely built. We have got a single camera at the back and a flash, then a camera at the front. So let's turn it on. This blue color is actually really good and I am really liking it. It's taking its time to start. We've got a taller display here and narrower. So this is 18:9 screen ratio, which is kind of a standard nowadays for every smartphone that's coming out. Let's skip through this. So you can copy your previous data from any other Android device or even iOS device. You get that option in the setup. And let's get started, and there we go, Emotion UI 8.0 based on Android Oreo 8.1. So latest software running on an entry-level phone. That's great stuff from Huawei, and that's something that we should appreciate. Let's go in system, about phone, and confirm it. So there we go, Android version 8.1. We have 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of internal storage, out of which only 9.94 is available. We have got 720p display resolution. Android security patch level is March 5th. So there is that, and I am actually impressed from Huawei because they're giving huge value for the price in their smartphones nowadays. You can get a lot of features without spending a lot of money. Let's go in camera. Okay, so let's turn off the flash and see how quick it is. So it takes its time. It's running on MediaTek chip, so taking pictures isn't as fast as I had expected, but still it's doing its job. It's fine. We've got settings here and we have got some modes here as well. We'll make detailed videos. So that's about it. That was the unboxing of Huawei Y5 Prime 2018. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and you can also catch me on Twitter, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.